Okay, so let me see this idea on YouTube. Where these guys building pillars for that pig pen, using that to kind of divide it off. I use pallets so far, but over time the pallets will still have to change. Like, right now, my sow she could break out if she really wants to, but they don't break out unless they hungry. So yeah, my bow up and is strong. And I don't think he could break out. But the sow she could get out, and the piglet don't really try to get out. But the piglet could get out. Right here, but she get almost too big to get out of that now, and she doesn't hardly come out. So let us be good. But anyhow, back to this wall then. Right now, what I do is I could try and build a rock wall, because I have a lot of rocks in the yard and rocks creep. So yeah, I ain't used to this yet, so there's gonna be a lot of slagging in the video sometimes. Yeah. All right, so that's what I do. I'm trying to build a rock wall. I go there, take it from here, take it. You can move the glass bottle and stuff. Go. I was thinking this way, but I ain't exactly sure exactly how I get a racket yet, because I don't want to kill none of the fruit trees. Not too much of that, whichever one. So yeah, I'm trying to burn out a fig tree over there. I was thinking I should carry the pen from the back there, the back here. There's my crop pen. I was thinking about carrying it from there straight this way, but I ain't sure yet. Did you say, mommy? Cook some grits then. I didn't cook the pig grits. I can make a YouTube channel. Know what I could call that? I like to label the videos. Building a pig farm.